What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hetty Amens, and today I brought you this saucy looking wig. Yes, so today's video is in collaboration with Hair by Any. They are into frontal lace glue, the mousse, wax stick, and all that you need to lay your frontals or your lace down. Girl, if I tell you their range is all that you need for you to slay all day, your lace closures, your normal closures, your frontals, your 360, anything you need to melt your lace down, girl, make it look natural, last longer, and you're gonna look sassy. Then stay tuned. Okay, so today's video is in collaboration with HBP Wigs, yes, my company, for this wig, and then Hair by Any for the product line that I'm going to use to install this beautiful wig. And for my makeup tutorial, if you're also interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description box, or you check out my next video to see how I slayed my beautiful face. Without much of further ado, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and watch other tutorials that I put on here. So yeah, let's get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So as I said, we are going to install this frontal. This is an old frontal and it's in 12 inches, right, and then 13 by 6 frontal. I've installed this here number of times. You can check in the description box. You see how I installed it using got2b gel as well. But today we are going to use glue and then other product line by Hair by Any. So the focus is just on this product line, Hair by Any. You can check them up on Instagram. Okay, they ship worldwide, all over Europe, Nigeria. Just contact her and then you will be hooked. Okay, so as usual, I'm trying to get my edges back onto my hair and then putting on my stocking cap. So I did it with the help of friction spray by got2b, but I know Hair by Any also has her own friction spray or melting spray, but I don't have it as of now. So today I didn't do all the bold cap method or the bold cap method. I just slicked back all my edges and then just install this stocking cap of my color, okay, of my shade, and then I'm going on straight onto the installation. So what I have in my hand is Hair by Any's hair protectant or skin protector. So this is what you put onto the skin and then on your front line or the edge line where you're going to put the glue, so that it helps you and it helps the skin do not have any irritation, as the glue and then the hair is going to stick onto your hair for some time and then your skin is not going to breathe. So to protect the skin and to also protect your hairline and then your edge area, using the skin protectant is okay. It's actually advisable nowadays, so you don't have any irritations or you don't have any whatever as you put the lace on your skin for that long. So I'm using the hair glue. Okay, so the lace glue by Hair by Any, as I said, it's in collaboration with Hair. That is what I use. I've used the first pass as you saw me do, and this is the second side. One thing about this glue is even if it's not dried, you can still go on with your application or go on with the number of glue you want to do. So with the glue, you can go on like 3 passes or 3 different layers, but on a normal day I go with only 1 layer because this glue has a long or a strong hold. But for the sake of this video, I only did 2 passes or 2 layers. You can do 3 layers depending on your client or depending on how long you intend to use it. But let me tell you, I installed this wig and then I even went to I went to labor in this wig. Okay, so I had it on for 2 weeks with just 2 layers, right? So what I have in my hand is their wax stick, also by Hair by Any. One thing I love about this wax stick is it's not too greasy, not too oily. It doesn't make the hair too damp or too shiny, right? It just slicks the hair and then gets the flyaways intact without making your hair look too oily, too greasy. That is what we don't want. So I'm just combing back the tiny hairs or the edges or the baby hairs I did, and then adding it to the rest of the hair so that I get the exact shape or the exact lace so that I install the wig. Mind you, this is an old wig and then the lace is already cut, so you make sure all fly away so there are no hairs, disturbing or interrupting where you are going to place onto the lace or onto the glue, sorry. So I just place my wigs always few meters ahead of where I placed the glue, okay. This way, if there are any spots that I miss, that I don't have glue there, I can go back or come back and then fix it, rather than putting the hair or the wig behind where I placed the glue. So you can see here the glue was behind the lace, okay, behind where the end or the start of the lace is. I prefer it this way. Then I'll come back and then fix all the places that I couldn't fix. This way helps me and then makes me have a great or a natural look without having that messy glue on my face and having to clean it afterwards. So I'm using my blow dryer or hand dryer on heat to make sure that the lace melts into the glue, and then I'm using this small comb from the edge brush to make sure everything is well melted into the skin. So at the side band, this is the time I calculate and know where exactly the side band is. You do this especially for the side band so that you have a natural look, so that you can lift your hair when you are done. If you don't install or if you don't calculate exactly where to put your glue at, especially at the side band, you are going to have a messy look and you can't raise your hair and it's all going to be that messy. So that is how I do it. So for the front line, as I said, I'm just going in to fix where I couldn't I missed. So I'm just going in and just trying to spot where there are no glue, pass the heat or the blow dry on heat, blow it, get the glue to turn a bit clear, and then start tacking it onto the glue. One thing about this glue is even if it hasn't turned completely clear, you can still go on with your installation, and when you are done, you put your rubber band or your headband on the lace. Everything is going to be well melted in, and you're not going to see glue or just white patches. You're not going to see anything. So just trust the process and just follow what I'm doing. And so what I say is, thank you guys for always coming back to watch for more. I have other tutorials. I am into 100% machine sewn wigs. Yes, we sew wigs, custom made wigs, and then ready to ship or ready to wear wigs. We have hairs from raw hair, raw Vietnamese hair, and also virgin hair, depending on your budget. So whatever your budget is, we have hairs or wigs that can cater for your needs. We are also into makeup, bridal makeup, freelancing, and bridal hairstyling as well. So let me know what your needs are. Let me know when you join my channel, what you like about this channel. Let me know other videos you would want to see. So what I'm doing is I'm using cotton and then 99% alcohol to clean my face, to get rid of any unwanted glue patches on my skin or on my forehead. So I'm going on with the Frit spray by Got2b to also melt the lace and then the glue in, and then I'm going to tie a band. At this point, Hair by Any also has fritting spray. By the time I was doing this video, I didn't have it. So you can also order everything from here, everything you're going to use from start to finish. They also have a curling mousse that I'm going to use for my sideburns, and this is also the wax stick. As I told you, I'm putting in a lot of wax stick, okay, but the hair is not shiny, the hair is not becoming greasy like other wax sticks do. So I'm trying to slick back all the hair to the back because I'm going to change the pattern. I usually wear it to the side, but today I'm going to wear it in the middle, right? Yeah. So I installed this wig, and if I installed this wig like a week to my labor, right? Yes. When I was filming this video, I was 4 days due to my time and I said, let me install this wig and see if we can enter into labor. And yes, I went into labor with this hair, and then also spent additional 1 week at home with this hair. So you can see all the struggles in the labor room, and we still had this, looking cute. And girl, this is to tell you that this lace glue is so lit. It gives that strong hold. It's all that you need. So I'm using the hot comb to slick the roots of the hair so that everything becomes as natural and flat as possible. So at this step, I'm using argan oil based heat protectant to apply into the rest of the hair, especially the ends of the hair, as we are going to use heat or curling iron or whatever on the hair. So you do this to prevent heat damage onto the hair. You also do the same step using your own hair as well. So I comb through the hair, make sure everything is sleek. This is L'Oreal is it perfect? I don't know. So it's a dye that it's a spray dye, right? That is what I'm using to get rid of the over bleached nuts or the roots. So yeah, I'm sectioning the hair into 2 equal halves, and then also take section by section and then straighten it. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end. Okay, so when done, I take off the band, and you see everything is naturally melted and neatly melted as well. So I went in with the cotton that had the 99% alcohol to cleanse anything that I wanted to clean off of the hairline. So I'm using my brush, make a foundation brush, and then using leftover foundation in the brush to just blend in the hairline or the edges with my skin. But don't go overboard with this step, as you put too much foundation, the next day is going to look you know, rough and messy. So this is their curly mousse. You can use this for your curly hairs, even your natural hair, and especially for your edges or your baby hairs. I could have gone without baby hairs, but I decided why not. Let me just do one swoop at each side, so you can see how the hair looks, and then it looks like if it's my own hair coming from my scalp. So I'm using the same mousse as I said to style my edges, my sideburns, and then this is the time I'm going to create the baby hairs. I just wanted one baby hairs. I think at this point I should have gone without baby hairs, but you know, this hair looks natural, just looks as if it's my own hair. So it's 12 inches with 13 by 6 frontal. If you are interested in this wig or any other wig, or you want to have a look at my collection, just click a link in the description box or search me on Instagram at HBPWigs or my main page at Hetty's Beauty Parlor. And also for the hairline product that I'm using today, which is Hair by Any, you can also check her out on Instagram and then see all that she's got. She's got a lot of products. She's got hair growth oil. She's got a whole lot of hair products. Okay, so voila, we are done. I did my makeup. Yes, I am slaying. You can't tell me anything. I love this install, and I also had fun installing this hair. This hair is actually an old wig of more than 2 to 3 years, but I still slay it whenever I want. I curl it whenever I want to. So you can see the sideburns is all melted in, and you can raise the hair without feeling shy of your bad install. So thank you to Hair by Any for sending in your products for this collaboration. Guys, go help her out, and then, you know, patronize from her. Let's support black businesses. Let's support black girl power. And thank you for watching. You can click on the left screen or the right screen to watch any other video, or click in the middle to subscribe if you want more of my videos. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.